Alright friends, in this video we're going to check out the App Engine. It's going to be a short, very short demo on App Engine just to understand a bit about how it works. Now generally when we work with App Engine, it is the Cloud Shell which gives us the command line to execute and deploy the actual code. And this is how you activate your Cloud Shell. With this small icon over here, it creates a terminal over here. You can resize it and make it in a bigger window. I'm going to close this from here, and I've already opened it over here, so I'm going to use it over here. So my session got disconnected because I opened in the other window. Now, if it has not picked up the project, you will have to manually assign the project to your shell, and it's going to use this command gcloud config set project and the project ID. So I'll have to grab my project ID from here, and I'm going to copy this. Go to Cloud Shell, paste it. Right, it has picked up my Cloud Shell network. Now, what I've done is I have created it's in the wrong directory. Right, so yeah, if you see, we have three files over here. My app.yaml, main.py, and requirements.txt. So these three files I've created for it, and I'll show you from where to get these files if you want to try this out on your own. And just running cat command to show you what is there inside these files. So it's okay. So this is the main file, which is just going to put a hello world kind of as a return request to HTTP request that comes in. So that's what we are going to run in App Engine and try. And requirements, if you look at it, it has just the Flask, which is the framework required for it to run this. Right. So, and what you're going to do is just do the deployment for you. So that's the only thing that is pending to get execute this. Right. So the command is going to be gcloud app deploy. It's asking, do you want to do the deployment? All right, so it took a while. I had to pause the video. It has been deployed. I can open the service. All right, so just open this hello world, and the app is being deployed in the App Engine. I'll leave the URL in the description in case you want to follow the article which I followed to build this small demo. Thank you.